checking. Stop pushing me. Yeah, did you see my name? Okay. That's mine. I've seen mine. Yes, I've seen mine. Just keep checking. Yes. Just keep checking. Keep checking. Oh. What is it? Are you aware that Stella is dead? Stella? Yes. Which Stella is that? Stella, man. The chubby Stella. Faye. Are you for real? I swear that what happened this morning? I don't know. I didn't tell you anything. I didn't tell you anything. When I first heard it, I was shocked. First, it was the class rep of business administration. Yes. Now it's Stella.
What a painful way to die. It could happen to anyone.
May sudden death be far from us.
Amen. Oh. Reject it in Jesus' name.
Amen. This school is really not safe.
You come here and who you defend?
I can't see your boss.
You can't see my boss. How you take locate here? I dey dress come you get crazy. You know where you dey? See, I mean the Black Jesus. Anybody will see me must snap selfie. You want snap selfie? You don't want snap selfie? Yeah, I see.
Black Jesus!
Boss.
Free me laugh.
Now let you walk.
Brother, this muku. Sit down, grand.
You go na petrol.
Come closer, they touch you, they shele. But la wegbe.
Capone, this guy na spam.
They say you come. No. Wetin carry come like a ban?
Na because they not to beat me for the school. Beat me, mash me. Even seize my script for school. Kill my girlfriend.
Why the fighting, why the killing, yeah?
Your face show.
What is it, why the hating, yeah? Why the...
I will never follow you to that station. Raptors! Lost suckers! Raptors! Lost suckers! Raptors! Lost suckers!
Omoruyi, don't rock meet us based on say 1 or 2 men they disturb me for this full campus. Then before he left, they don't want me rest for this full campus. And as such, he want maybe saying that we won't give him 1 or 2 protection. But we deal with him. I will go make sure say he fights now our fights.
So, 100 sure. If they plap, we go plap no.
No say we go fit do.
Black dogs!
Blood suckers!
Black dogs!
Blood suckers!
Black dogs!
Blood suckers! If they plap, we go plap no.
Mama no dey oh, Papa dey Allah. If you want to kill me, give me fire. I will never follow you to that station. My area be this oh,
Fire make a fire
I say
you.
na my area be this oh,
Fire make a fire
I
you.
say na my area be this oh,
Fire make a fire you.
na my area be this oh,
Fire make a fire
I
you.
say na my area be this oh,
Fire make a fire you.
na my area be this oh,
Fire make a fire you.
Papa no dey oh, Mama dey Allah. If you want to kill me, make a die.
I will never follow you to that station.
Papa no dey oh, Mama dey Allah. If you want to pay me, make a die. I will never follow you to that station. My area be this oh,
Fire make a fire you.
my area be this oh,
Fire make a fire you.
na my area be this oh,
Fire make a fire you.
na my area be this oh,
Fire make a fire you.
Don, you all those black dogs gonna do for this campus be like say they wan come dey do like say na their chest na white pass.
You know they follow smart pikin dey come. You don't understand. If they show yourself, you hold on to go here for ground me wetin dey sup. I follow them. If you follow them, do gravel, they'll miss step. Now wetin make you miss step? They'll fuck you up.
Don, this matter do you think they talk am so this matter serious o. This matter serious o.
Wait. You know, call the be like say, man, you know, man, reason your side. Huh? You and Amas tomorrow, when I do sell your car, tell Amas to me fall back to my code. If they need the cassette.
Now you dey talk. No problem.
Yeah. Why the fighting, why the killing, yeah?
Voodoo KKK.
Voodoo KKK. Voodoo KKK.
I win in that way. Yeah. Black dogs don't price market. And who price? Like this, eh? Black dog get mine. They drop Odu boy. For inside school. Omoyi, when Odu boy dey feed, get mad, betray our guy. Go join Black dog. This one na slap. Big slap. No go Adumu.
Odunvodo.
No ma go Adumu.
Odunvodo to Ekan.
Like this, that the power invested as the head of this confraternity. I declare war. Oh shit! Against black dogs.
This one a best thing be say me. When me back
the bottle.
Eh?
give am.
No. So one pikin with a Philly bottle.
Pikin wey me clout, pikin wey me give shelter, pikin wey me feed. Like on the.
Why the fighting, why the killing, yeah? What is it, why the hating, yeah? Why the shooting, why the beefing, yeah? And as you say, I can never tell. Amorui, why the killing, yeah? Amorui, why the fighting, yeah? Lack of understanding, misunderstanding is working against.
Amoyi, who they give you mine?
See all those things when you don't do me. All those shele when you don't show me. One day you will pay. In the car.
Amoyi, as you see me so, blood not the roll for this vein again. Now wickedness, I feel my body.
That wickedness go kill you. That wickedness now go kill you.
I swear.
You see that drum of war when you dey beat, you go soon dance to that.
Yes.
And you see that day when me and you meet, you no go better for that day. You get mad. You get mad. Take the only thing when they give me joy. You again.
I don't get joy.
No loss.
Why I not collecting other people joy? You see the reason why I tell you that they say, as that your girl say she get belly, I say abort am.
Normally now.
You see this idiot papa and mama. I wish I saw this idiot papa abort this idiot. If you not stand here, they talk to me anyhow. That's why I say it no go ever better for your parents.
Amen.
I wish I feel you sit there now like the day and life now. I'll clap their 2 years together. But fortunately they are not here.
You pay me.
See this food, I feed them. See, I don't know this feeding bottle.
Yes, no.
Add the custard in here. I'll put that for him.
Like watermelon. Sucking baby. This guy.
You
be ungrateful in my
Somebody shut up. This one a family business. You
the man. Why the cap now? Dad, I don't blame you. You will be premature. Mama suki beer. I blame your man when no greet you. You. I know say your part deny you.
Abino, I'll leave you now. But anyhow, just try make you dey wash your back. You understand? I know say you bleach you. I will spoil your family.
Normally.
No talk.
Normally.
They come.
Normally.
You understand?
Amoyi.
Black Jesus.
What is it, why the hating, yeah? Why the shooting, why the beefing, yeah? And as you say, I can never tell. Amorui, why the killing?
The blah blah, a flow flow.
shut up.
If I want to cook by you. Be already. I'm not gonna say una last prayer because una won't go join una own God for the kingdom. So. Quiet. Jack. Boss. I deal with you. Black Jesus.
Why the fighting, why the killing, yeah? What is it, why the hating, yeah? Why the shooting, why the diffing, yeah? And as you see, I can never tell. Amorui, why the killing, yeah? Amorui, why the fighting, yeah? Lack of understanding, misunderstanding is working against the land of peace. Why the killing, why the shooting? I want mama, I want mama. Why the killing, why the fighting? Mama. Why the killing, why the hating? Mama. Why the kicking, why the beefing?
Mama! Yeah! What's in the song? Baba! Hey! Baba! What's in the song? What's in the song? Shut! What's in the song?
Why you dey one side of the galavant? Things wey dey play for us. Unknowingly. Once in the ground, see man the ground. Ah! Once my head. They don't buy, they go pay. They must pay. Ah! Who buy go pay? Shit! Black dogs!
They say the weight of an elephant of the country.
Baba! Black dogs! Black dogs! Black dogs!
No, they sweet, eh?
No.
If you know they sweet!
Boss, I go know. Ah!
Like this, eh? You're not supposed to say.
Epe go tell am.
Asaka si yeye! Yeye saka si yeye!
You are Iso one.
That's all!
Why the fighting, why the killing, yeah? What is it, why the hating, yeah? Why the shooting, why the diffing, yeah? And as you see, I can never tell.
Not be you be this one. I tell you, say black dust. They know they use their play. Now me be Black Jesus, aka senior brother to devil.
Tell them, you never know.
I be you want snap selfie. My brother, snap selfie. God will punish you. Bad girl. Today, you go know the way it will be. Whether you fine or you black. Give on God.
A man can never dance to the music of Surugede. Shall I tell you, say, pikin when they crow, go later waka. I be there see song for night. I tell you, say, I go put on for your body. Shall it don't happen. You can never rest in peace. Or swore.
And as you see, I can never tell. Amorui, why the kill?
If you do this sweet like this, I cut the balls. Ah! Capone! Capone! Begin. Begin with me, shatter! Now you dress me like this! Begin where I got it from gutter! Shatter! Now you dress me like this! Capone! Omoji! Don't go buy my pally and my mallet. Okay? Omoji, don't go buy my. You give out, I mean, a follow as I be like this, I be orphan, oh! I be orphan! Anything else orphan do, make them not get down. Because this son, also was away. As it is now, but it go sup, make it sup. Because if you not a sweet, I got a boss. Now go back, now I go be for all of them. Who not go, no. Who say no too much. Pepe go enter here where he. Who go die. Who go remain. Calm down. Or they cap you. I want to go out alone, my brother. So far, I want to not this fight, not be only your fight. Now our fight. That's what Capone! Capone, now our fight! Now my fight! Now everybody fight! As it bring up from now, Capone! Anywhere they proceed that for the men that they bury. Anywhere they proceed that for the men that they bury. Where they bury? Because as it is now, I don't be orphan. What the orphan they do? Where they fear? Me, everywhere scatter. Like this, Capone. Not in 94. Capone! Sageton, blow the horn.
What is it? Why the hating? Why the shooting? Why the beefing? And as you say, I can never tell.
Don't tell me the Black Dogs has hand in the death of Mr. and Mrs. Osagie. Omoyi, I told you your fight is our fight.
Inshallah.
And we will do everything possible to make sure the soul of your late girlfriend finds rest.
That's all.
Omoyi, calm down. Ayé mi lè gbé yàtọ̀ lọ wọn, yàtọ̀ lọ, ìdánwò àtọ̀ lọ, wà gbẹ́sẹ̀ gbèdé.
Inshallah.
I know say by now, EGHE, we don't send for body. Moto.
I didn't tell you to take the lives of my benefactors. They have done me no wrong. Why? Why will you go without my notice? They're my parents, for God's sake. Keep quiet.
Inshallah.
And mind the way you talk to me. I'm still the Capone here.
Post no.
Who not gonna do you well?
You know what? I'm done with this nonsense.
Inshallah.
Allow me be.
I talk on
Capone.
say this boy will betray person.
Capone.
Now make I talk on that they say make I snap selfie. He must say no.
Capone.
Black Dogs!
No soccer!
Black Dogs!
No soccer!
Black Dogs!
No soccer!
And as you say, I can never tell. Omoroi, why the killing? Omoroi, why the fighting? Lack of understanding, misunderstanding. It's working against the land of
Did I get myself into
why
this
they
mess?
killing? Why they shooting? Erewa mama.
Again, Jaji where will give it the order. The death of Stella and Mr. and Mrs. Osagie will be avenged. Blood go scatter. Area go fill up. Sky go fall. No go better for anybody this time. Man!
Why the fighting? Why the killing? What is it? Why the hating?
Yes. Is that the officer? Yes. Start coming now. You and your men. You just start another gunshot. The VC needs you now, please. The VC needs you. Just start coming now, please.
Lack of understanding, misunderstanding is working against the land of peace. Why they kill? Why they shooting? Why they killing? Why they fighting? Why they killing? Why they hating? Why they kicking? Why they beefing?
Jesus. Hello, is that the DPO? Yes, sir. Please, there is an emergency inside the school premises. Yes, sir. Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you. Oh my God. Okay. You all can go back to your department, okay? Everything will be sorted out, okay?
Yeah. Why they fighting? Why they killing? Yeah. What is it? Why they hating? Yeah. Why they shooting? Why they beefing? Yeah. And as you see, I can never tell. Amoroi, why they killing? Yeah. Amoroi, why they fighting? Yeah. Lack of understanding, misunderstanding is working against the land of peace. Why they killing? Why they shooting? Mama. Why they killing? Why they fighting? Oh, mama. Why they killing? Why they hating? Oh, mama. Why they kicking? Why they beefing?
Hey, young man. What did I do? If you moved.
Why they killing? What is it? Why they hating? Why they shooting? Why they beefing? And as you see, I can never tell.
Hold it there!
Why they killing? Amoroi, why they fighting? Lack of understanding, misunderstanding.
Okay, come on, what's this up? Come on. Kelebe on the cheese no do here. Kelebe. The cheese no Kelebe start to the entire square here now. See, calm down. You understand? You know say now you be their target. This matter. Don't go take it. Call me later. Papa, there we go.
Why they fighting? Why they killing? Yeah. What is it? Why they hating? Yeah. Why they shooting? Why they beefing? Yeah. And as you see, I can never tell. Amoroi, why they killing? Yeah. Amoroi, why they fighting? Yeah. Lack of understanding, misunderstanding is working against the land of peace. Why they killing? Why they shooting? Mama. Why they killing? Why they fighting? Oh, mama. Why they killing? Why they hating? Oh, mama. Why they kicking? Why they beefing?
I'll wipe you off in this campus. Ooh, you need to buy you up.
Why they fighting? Why they killing? Yeah. What is it? Why they hating? Yeah. Why they shooting? Why they beefing? Yeah.
You're mad. If they're blah blah.
Not be here, you don't
blah. You know what they fear? They use our black.
The craze.
My capon.
You don't fear. You use it wrong. You use it wrong. You the craze. Let's say you don't know my name. Now maybe Black Jesus, aka senior brother to Afa.
Capon.
Maga.
Capon.
The talk of farmer.
What did they solve?
Hey. Maga.
Why they fighting? Why they killing? Yeah. What is it? Why they hating? Yeah. Why they shooting? Why they beefing? Yeah. And as you see, I can never tell. Amoroi, why they killing? Yeah. Amoroi, why they fighting? Yeah. Lack of understanding, misunderstanding.
Yes, blah blah. We go flow. Not believe this one now.
I be you.
Okay.
I can't be you.
Well,
I don't do now.
You never leave Rachel like this now. Huh? Give her
for score.
You dey fear? You dey fear gun?
I get the shake oh.
You dey fear gun?
Give her for score.
Now waiting you sign and you go collect.
Opo!
Hey!
Okay. You na my blood, and I no go fit share your blood. But the pay me say, you no believe say I no get hand for wetin keep us here and must see. You hurt me. Na my guys be this. Na they run the matter, but I swear say I go get justice for Mile and Pile. I don confirm am and your eyes don see am. Like I talked before again. You na my blood, and I no go share your blood. Everyone, mama. You na my blood, and I no go fit shed your blood.
Lack of understanding, misunderstanding is working against the land of peace. Why they killing? Why they shooting? Everyone, mama. Everyone, mama. Why they killing? Why they fighting? Oh, everyone, mama. Why they killing? Why they hating? Oh, everyone, mama. Why they kicking? Why they beefing? Oh, everyone, mama.
Omoyi! You know say dog not a chop dog.
You see this dog wey dey here? Go chop you. I won't tell you say you be dog. You be chicken. This dog go chop you, chop you, chop you, chop your bone, Jonah.
Omoyi, you no fear. You roll your capo 50.
Oh, capo my foot.
Why they fighting? Why they killing? Yeah. What is it? Why they hating? Yeah. Why they shooting? Why they beefing? Yeah. And as you say, I can never tell. Amoroi, why they killing? Yeah. Amoroi, why they fighting? Yeah. Lack of understanding, misunderstanding is working against the land of peace. Why they killing? Why they shooting?
How far? Go down. They do shishi for campus. I say go Ogun boys. Go down, you be mad. Go down. Now you the terrorize squads is small. Do the project game yesterday, they look at the cat.
Shey pikin wey dey crawl no go waka. Abi pikin wey dey born no go grow.
We don't grow now. Who grow? The old. And who old? They die.
Papa!
Okay. I'm going to say the facts for this. Finish on. Rats. Do this thing, man. Come on here. Rats.
Don't move. If you move on it, you are gone. Shut down your weapons. Shut down your weapons. Now. Go down. I mean now. Now, go down. Go down on your knees. Your hands on your head. Your hands on your head. Now.
Go down.
Lay down. Now. Don't move. Go down on your knees.
Go down.
On your knees. Your hands on your head. Now. I got them. Shh. I got them.
Why they killing? Why they hating? Oh, mama. Why they kicking? Why they beefing? Oh.
Life you really want to end. This is not what I wanted for myself, but it is what it is now.
wanted a better life. Manali lost it download there. Manali lost it download there. See why we like you said it now the you are like you see. So look what 30 was a team second chance. You know that second chance in life. Mama. You have gone. And you born your body of a man now. Vengeance is of the Lord. Baba Semiya and the come out to take his place.
Oh, and then one mama. Why the killing, why the hating? Oh, and then one mama. Why the kicking, why the beefing? Oh, and then one mama.